everyone and welcome in this new video where I'll unbox and review the Glsswkrs Polarity. So now I have to, gently put the huge box packaging is really cool. I haven't seen an unboxing of this pad yet, and I'm hoping this will be one of the first few ones. And wow, this is the pad. Okay, I have to say it is smooth. Very strong odor, but we'll see. The base is not sticky, unlike the Razer's Fax V3. The pad comes with 16 hardened PTFE skates, 6.5mm diameter and 0.85mm thick, and the little cloth you saw. This is the glide test with the stock GPX2 and stock skates. I won't be testing all the sleeves because there's no point. Most sleeves just behave similarly on glass pads. And I'll test first the Amazon sleeve, the one with some spandex. I don't feel any drag whatsoever, which means that I'll now go straight to the Ghostglides Secondskin. It feels slightly better than the previous sleeve just because this is a more premium and glass pad oriented sleeve. Now the TBTL V2. I was not really happy about this one with many other pads. On this one it just feels alright, I'd say. Now the Lyzard skin, same, it feels fine, not the greatest, sure. The TBTL V1, the one with 13% spandex, this one feels slightly better than the other ones. Now the Pulsar, which is well known to have some texture to feel the movement while gliding on the glass pads. And the undisputed GOAT, the Talon Games GT, so the purple sleeve. This one is just my favorite. It's the best sleeve I've ever used on glass and on any other pad. One more thing again, I forgot to do the drag test. It moved by a few millimeters, whereas any other pad I previously reviewed besides one had a lot more drag. It's near impossible to move the pad while actually trying, and it now moved only because it went over the little thing there, but while gaming it will be absolutely impossible to move this pad. I have to say I'm not even at my best right now. To be fair, it's pretty late, but I never make 2 videos in one day, although my accuracy is roughly on par with the other videos. Oh my. Now I'll shoot like a normal person would do but also strafes. Just to make it a little bit harder. Yeah, I have to say with the sleeve without the sleeve actually, it's a lot worse. I'll use the Pulsar. So it is fast enough, at least for me for now. I don't know if we'll eventually, if there's any coding, of course, companies always say no, but then, you know, like pads with weird spots and stuff like that, so. Harder to make micro adjustments on a sleeve like this, same the Pulsar, the Lyzard skin, the TBTL and so on, because they do not have the palm coverage, whereas the Ghostglides and the Talon games sleeve have it. Now you'll see how my aim, like, it doesn't improve like insanely, but you can see that my movements are smoother and I can micro adjust. This pad has become my main. After this video, I basically tried again my Super Glide V2 and the SP05 from oled. I didn't like the SP05, although it was tracking fine. The Super Glide had some spots where the mouse wasn't tracking, so I couldn't use it anymore, and it just feels as good, to be fair, if not even better. It's smoother. The sleeve never gets stuck, which is something I encountered so many times on the other pad. And I will just say you can buy pretty much any sleeve. I would still recommend the Talon Games GT, but you can pretty much just buy any sleeve you want. This pad will be insane, especially the size. With this much pad on the desk, you can make every movement, especially if you are like a low sense gamer. It will be perfect for you.